The Belém was underachievement, but now the EU needs to lead bravely among the 100 countries that have committed to act on climate change. Because when science and politics collide, science will always win. When facts and opinions collide, the facts don't change. And if opinions don't, the result is going to be bad. The costs are tenfold more than any investment what we should be doing at the moment for slowing down climate change. We would need to ban, of course, the use of fossil fuels. We would need to speed up circular economy. We would need to act on supergrids and renewable energies on Europe. So we know the problem, we know what to do, and we even have the money, because only less than 5% is in sustainable finance. Now the question is the Commission bold enough and brave enough to act against the political populism?
Kiitos.